This is going to be a Bitcoin update and also a market update. So I have it on a 12-hour time frame just to reduce the amount of ups and downs we see. This kind of like just zooming out. That's what it is. We can see that we're in this zone. And if we go to the weekly, you can see this zone really predominant, really strong to where we have the candle body closes up here, candle body closes down here. So this is a really nice zone. And here, I'm thinking that we may, do a lower high here and possibly do this number. Now, in order for us to be bullish, a couple things need to happen. Even though we're in this bullish zone between the orange trend lines, I would like to see us break above this. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, just kind of zoom in a little bit, we can see that this is more like a liquidity area to where the price goes up and it comes right back down. So it's a selling pressure, selling wall, whatever you want to call it. Just know that there's a chance of a possible reversal, and we cannot be bullish until, even though we're in this bullish zone, until we break above this zone-ish area and find it as support. Once that happens, then we're starting to get bullish. The next step of the bullishness would be to get out of this zone. This zone, again, is very strong, and there's nothing but resistance above us. So once we break this level, we're starting to get strong. Here, we broke the level. We're starting to get strong, but because we have this resistance here, we cannot be bullish until we at least break this. Once we break this, our next area, so the bullishness case is building. Once we break this level up here at 119,415, now we're getting more bullish. So it would look something like this. Let's say we do something like this, and then we kind of go in here for a little bit, bounce off of the middle of this zone, come up, and then start doing this now because we broke this. This is starting to get bullish, but this definitely bullish. And this is because, well, we not only did we break out of this zone, but we had resistance, we came down for support, and then we broke this newly created resistance level, creating a more of a bullish sense. Now, because we do that, we have all this liquidity that we can come for and come back down. So again, like we are literally going up a hill. So just be very careful, have stops in place. Now, in my opinion, if and rather when we get to this area, I'm thinking that potentially the FOMO may kick in and everybody starts getting super bullish. We're close to all-time highs. Let's go. And we could take off from here, but always have that stop loss. Now, one thing that I also want to point out, we were kind of talking about on Crypto Coin Mindset last night, the Crypto on the Rocks, where if, should we start investing in Bitcoin right now? To me, it's too late. If we do come up here to this trend line, we're looking at 8%. If we go up to 140, we're looking at 21%. For me, I would just wait till, the bear market to start buying Bitcoin. Now, you can use this as a trade, hold this for like a couple months, but not to invest. All right, so I do want to go over some of these coins, and we're just going to run through them fairly quick, see what they're doing, and if we could potentially add to these trades. So for BNB, man, this one's just absolutely killing it. I think we're at like 90% or 100% already for this coin. Very low leverage, 2x, 3x, and of course, all-time highs. Is doing great. I would love to see it come back down, though. I was hoping it was going to roll over here, and it didn't. It actually broke through our trend line, found support on the trend line, broke below it, and now I'm thinking, oh, okay, for sure, it's going to come and attack this and attack this. But as we know, price can do whatever it wants. So right now, it just continues to go up. It'll continue going up until it starts rolling over. And this part right here is the first area I'm looking at, 978. For potential short, so we can kind of hedge this one. There we go. All right, so that's pretty much all I got. I do thank you, and I'm going to do probably a video for the VIP group in reference to more coins. All right, thank you so much. Take care.